What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the CVC token, also known as the Civic token, on Coinbase. So for the first step, you will need to log into your account on coinbase.com, and if you don't have an account yet, then sign up through the link in the description and you will receive 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. The next step is to go to the search bar right on top, select it and fill in CVC. So once you have done that, select the coin and you will be redirected to the token page. As you can see, we have the current market price over here, a price chart, and of course the time frames to select to see what this coin has done in the past. Now, if you would like to read some information about this coin, you can find that over here. And below that, you will find the coin stats like the market cap, volume, circulating supply, and of course the all-time high. Now, to buy this coin, we need to go back up to the right top, and there you'll find the trading options. We have a buy option, sell option, and a convert option. We will use the buy option for now, and as you can see, the one-time order option is selected on default. This is a single order for the current market price, but if you click on it, you can also set up a recurring buy if you would like to purchase these coins more often. Now we will select the one-time order, and after that we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to spend on this order, let's say 1000 euros, and now you will see how much coins you will receive in return. After that, select your payment method by clicking on it and this list will be opened. Now you can select the right one. If it's not here, then you can add a new one by clicking on this button down below. Once you have done that, select it and you will be redirected to this overview. Always double check the coin you have selected to buy, and after that click on review order. Now you will review your order, and as you can see, we are paying a transaction fee towards Coinbase. You are paying fees towards Coinbase for every order or trade you make on their platform. Now, if you would like to save yourself a bit of money, then use the Coinbase One subscription. As you can see, you can try it out for free for 7 days, and after those 7 days you will pay around 25 euros a month. But on this order alone, we are already saving up to 38 euros, so it is already profitable. Definitely try that out. Now, once you have decided to buy these coins, click on the buy now button, and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!